All right, this is very important. So install Visual Studio Community, big program for developer. Anything else you can think is very crucial program. So you should download quick, and I will guide you some kind of Visual Studio Community install and. We go here, download the latest free version. We have some kind of image of person and yeah, those two I know for sure, for sure, for sure. And Visual Studio is comes also with like this kind of ID, and you will see more just when I take a look at download and folder, continue, and this kind of take a while, I think, when we choose to install big package which comes with Visual Studio. Will show you later in the setup. But the initial one is quite short and like this. So we want to let's just skip the update. And you can see available installed, and we have also installed here the 2022, and if you want to modify, and this would probably, if you're initially installing, this would look like this. You would come to this window here, and this is kind of the question what you want in your Visual Studio. And I was doing just a Python and Azure development, which is kind of a basic one. But if you, for example, click here, you see as well total space required 300 megabyte Node.js, not so much. Node.js is just 50. But this kind of .NET development, big packages you can add, and .NET based on those web languages, HTML, JavaScript, JSON, CSS, and so on. And Azure, for example, was a big one as well, 2 gigabyte, and Python was, I think, 5 gigabyte, not bad. Um, so was it really? No, no, no. The Python was only 75, and this one was 2 points. This is kind of strange. If we put both, then it's minus 7 KB, and if you put only one, and it doesn't make sense. But yeah, you have even more stuff, and I think Office shape or development, other whatever you want, and you can do everything here by clicking and choosing. By the way, I don't really need that, but yeah. So this has been basically everything about the tutorial community, and this is the important stuff. And then the program will launch, and you can have the IDE, which you know. Okay, thank you very much, and see you in the next video. This has been quite nice to look at the basic Visual Studio, which is used by so many people, most favorite IDE, and yeah, also very good for future support and so on. So thank you very much, and goodbye.